The 24 consonant phonemes used in English from if to ear. Here we are to learn the name of the phoneme this and the symbol used to represent it. This symbol represents the phoneme is. The name of this phoneme is. It is a voiceless consonant phoneme. Note, consonant phonemes would take place either the initial position, final position of the syllable. At the initial position, S A C K is a sa ig sa S A M E is a say im say S A I D is a sa id said S-E-E, homophones. Is-E-C, S-E-E-N, S-C-E-N-E, Is-E-C, in, homophones. S-L-N, S-U-N, homophones. Is-A-Sa, in, sun. S-I-N, S-I-N, Is-E-C, in, sin. CELL, SELL homophones is a sa il cell. CENT, SENT homophones is a sa in it set. CITY is it sit sit the end of the syllable. ASS a is as. BUS if a ba is but. CEASE is E C is sees DRESS it ir dra is dress KISS key is kiss MISS me is miss PASS if a pa is pass. Let us yes CE CI represent this phoneme.